guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Linn. If you're new, I'm glad you stopped by. Today's video is gonna be a luxury designer haul, or pretty much all of the fashion items that I picked up while I was in Rome last week. I had a blast. It was so much fun and I got some cute stuff. I also picked up some makeup from Sephora and also some skincare products from Adore, which will be a separate video because I really wanted to focus this on fashion, accessories, and all in that jazz. So I have some cute products. We have Tiffany, we have Gucci, and we also have ZARA. As you probably know by now, I love to stop by those stores while I'm traveling. So I really love this city and we had a great time. I traveled with my boyfriend and also the baby and we had such a blast, and the only part was that it was a little bit too hot at daytime, but at night it was perfect. I walked around in dresses and skirts all day and it was amazing. So if you love designer items, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't seen my face before, I also have a lot of different videos from lifestyles, vlogs, tutorials, and all that jazz. So be sure to check out other videos. I really hope you decide to stick around and subscribe. Also be sure to ring the bell so you will get notified every single time I upload a new video. And without further ado, let's jump into the haul. So the first store that I went to was ZARA. I love their clothing, and since we don't have that store here, I really enjoy to walk around and see what's new. So this time I didn't buy a lot of clothing because I still have way too much clothes in my closet. I'm going to film a clear out video, which will be a organize my closet vlog, which will be up pretty soon, so keep an eye out. So the first thing that I picked up from ZARA is this sweater right here. This is see-through and it's also a knitted fabric, and I really enjoy these because you can wear a very nice bra underneath or style it up with a top or anything. And I really fell for the neck of this sweater. We all know, if you have been with me for the past years, you know my obsession with turtlenecks, so therefore I really wanted to grab it. And I also enjoy the arms. It has kind of that balloon effect, which it goes wider to slimmer at the wrist. So I really enjoyed this one. I got the size medium and this was 19.95 euro, which is pretty inexpensive. So I picked up this one and I can't wait to wear it for fall. The next thing that I picked up is also two just basic t-shirts because we can never get enough, and I go through these so much because I always spill my food. So I just picked up a white one in medium and also a black one with a v-neck. These were $12.95 and I just love to have some loose t-shirts in my closet, and the fabric is very nice as well. These are amazing, so I just picked up those. Next, I also picked up a pair of pants. These are very stretchy, and what I really love about this one is the foot because it goes wider at the end. I have been really into pants like these lately and I can't seem to find them anywhere here, so I love that ZARA has a huge variety. So I just got the black one and these were $17.95, which is pretty inexpensive, and I got the size medium in these ones as well because after pregnancy my body isn't totally back to where it should be. I still need to lose a few pounds, so therefore I decided to pick this up in medium so I have something that is very comfortable on my body. And I also picked up another pair of jeans. So if you've seen my previous hauls, when I do fashion hauls, you know that I have these ones. I pretty much have like 4 or 5 of these, but I have them in 34 and 36, and those are a little bit too tight now, so I had to pick up one in size 40 because these will not be too slim. I hate when you have like some loose skin hanging out of your jeans. So these are the high-waisted, slim fit, very stretchy material, and these are like 75% elastic, so as you can see you can drag them out very much, and these are high-waisted. And these were $19.95, you guys. So inexpensive. I really enjoy the jeans. And that is all the clothing that I picked up from ZARA. And now let's jump into Gucci. So as you can see, I went kind of nuts on Gucci. I have been very into that brand lately and I feel like I need everything from Gucci. So I picked up 6 different items and I can't wait to unbox everything and see it because it has been a couple of days since I got home. So let's just start with this one. This is the first purse that I picked up. And as you guys know, I have a huge obsession for boxes, so it's so sad to unbox everything because I can never get the bow back on. So this is the first bag that I picked up and I'm so excited that I got my hands on this one. So as you probably know, I have the Marmont Gucci in black velvet. So I really wanted to get something with the GG Supreme print on because all my purses are pretty much black or white. And I really needed something else. So therefore I decided to go for this one. I was thinking about getting it in black, but I'm glad now that I didn't. So once you open it up, you can see that it has one compartment in here and it also comes with a chain. So this purse comes with a very long chain so you can wear it on your shoulder. So you can also twist the chain like I have done right now so the purse will look very nice on your shoulder as well for more evening dresses. And then you can also wear this around your waist by just hooking it into this little hook right here and attach it around your waist. And this really sold me because I can wear it 3 different kinds of ways. So I'm so excited about this one and I can't wait to start wearing it. And I also got the smaller size because all my bags are pretty much medium or big and my shoulder hurts so bad from having a big bag with a lot of stuff in and I can barely find anything. So therefore I wanted to get this small one because this will look so nice if I'm going out for a dinner or if I'm just running errands and stuff. I don't need to carry a lot. So therefore I picked up the small one and this is the Dinosaurs GG Supreme and this was $650. So this next bag that I picked up is this one and this is pretty much a bum bag. It's called the Belt Bag Vintage, I think, at the Gucci side and this was 590 euros. And once I saw this one, I was actually going in to buy a velvet blue one with the GG print, but once I saw this I was sold. Like, I love the colors, I love the fabric, and I feel like this one you can style up in a lot of different ways with a lot of different outfits. A very casual, but it can also be worn with a black dress or something. So I am so excited for this one, and this you can wear around your waist, but I pretty much got it to wear it like this, crossbody. So as you can see, this one is huge, you guys, and you can fit a lot of stuff in here and I'm so excited to wear this because I really wanted to get one of these and once I saw this one I was sold completely and I am excited to wear this. Then we have another box, you guys, and in this box I think there is 2 different items. Yeah, so we have these GG socks right here which I picked up and these were $90, I think. And I also really enjoy that these are like knee socks, so you can rock them with a skirt or anything. So I got these socks right here in this print. Then I also picked up this tie right here, which has the GG print on it. I'm not sure if the camera picks it up, but these are so stretchy and so comfortable. And the material is also very thick, so these will not rip as fast as the regular ones, I hope, because these were 100 euro if I'm not totally incorrect as well. So I just wanted to grab these ones. I think these will look so nice with a black dress or anything for like a holiday party or something special. So I got that as well for a special occasion. And then we have 2 more boxes from Gucci, you guys. So I will unwrap these as well. I have so many boxes right here now. And here are the second pair of socks that I really wanted to get. These are a little bit longer than the other pair. So as you can see, these are pretty much a beige color with the black GG print on them. And I really enjoy these ones. And they will look so nice with a black dress or a black skirt or anything now for fall. So I'm excited to wear these. And they also have some gold threading going around, so they look a little bit more festive. So I think these were around 120 euro and I got the size medium. And last but not least, the last pair that I picked up And these are so cute, you guys. I'm dying. Like, look at these. The only sad part is that these are white, so I will have to be very careful. So these has the Gucci green on top right here, and it also says Gucci with green letters. And these I also picked up in the size medium, and the quality and the fabric, you should definitely go and feel these. I am just obsessed. So I guess these were 90 euros if I'm not totally mistaken, but that is the last thing that I picked up from Gucci, you guys. So now let's jump into the next store. So the next thing that I'm going to show you are from Emporio Armani, which is actually an Italian brand. So I really wanted to go into the store and see what they had because they have a lot more stuff than they have over here. And I actually went in there to pick up a gift for my brother because he's turning 25. But I actually also came out with a gift, but also another purse. And this purse, you guys, it's something special. I just had to grab it. It is the most beautiful purse I've ever seen. So here is the purse, and I really hope the camera does it justice. I'm not sure if you can see how incredible sparkly this is, but this is so beautiful, you guys. I just can't. So once you open it up, it has beige material inside, which is a leather, and it also has a little flap for your credit cards. And it also has this silver chain right here, which you can also wear double crossed if you want to, which will make it a little bit more festive, I feel like. So I feel like this will spice up any outfit, especially mine, since I'm always in black. This will totally spice up everything, and the attention will be on the bag. And once I saw this, I just had to grab it. It was so beautiful, and I was looking at it and I thought, this is way too expensive for me, so I'm not even gonna look at it. And then my boyfriend asked for the price, and this was 490 euros, so of course I had to grab it. So I thought it should be at least 800 euros or something because it is so special and it's so gorgeous. But I feel like on the viewfinder it looks a little bit more pink, but this is actually very silvery, very sparkly. It looks like Swarovski crystals. And I really love that this bag is very versatile, so I can have it crossbody, I can have it over my shoulder, I can make it longer, shorter, or also just wear it like this. And I am so in love with this purse, and I am so happy that I decided to grab it. And that was what I picked up at Armani, and now let's jump into the Tiffany bags. So this time I actually just have 2 bags from Tiffany. Believe it or not, I actually just picked up 3 different items. So I was going in there for wine glasses, but they didn't have them, and I was so sad because those glasses had been on my wish list for quite a while, but I at least grabbed something else. So here are the first item that I picked up, and let's unwrap them. I can never get these back on. So these are also items that I really wanted to get. They have been on my wish list for quite a while, so I was happy that they at least had these ones in store. But sad that I didn't go home with wine glasses. But here you can see these are actually coffee mugs. So you actually get 2 in here, and the price was 120 euros. I will leave every single item from this haul down below, so be sure to check out the description, and I will also leave prices down there if it's something I can't remember or remember the name of. And these are so cute, like you can drink your coffee from them, you can have them displayed around the house or have your makeup brushes in. I just love these, and I love the Tiffany color as well, you guys know it. So I picked up these ones, and these are so adorable. So the next item that I picked up is actually a gift for my baby. Because of the baptism, I really wanted to get a silver spoon from Tiffany. So this is so cute. I will insert a photo of it so you can see it, but I will not unwrap it before I'm actually giving it away. So that is that. And then last but not least, the last item in this haul is a ring, you guys. So I really love Tiffany rings, as you probably know already. I'm just obsessed, and I'm obsessed with everything Tiffany pretty much. So I decided to pick up another ring, and this is so cute. So every time you buy something from Tiffany, you get this cute little pouch right here. But here is the ring that I picked up. I will insert a close-up right here so you can see it on. but this says love, and it also has a heart, and this is so cute. So for this ring I paid around 300 euros, but as I said, I will leave everything down below. But this is so cute. It is silvery, it totally fits me. I picked up that one as well, and that was all the item from my luxury designer haul, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did and you want more hauls, give this video a thumbs up to let me know. Also be sure, if you're new to my channel and you still haven't subscribed, I really hope you decide to go down, click the subscribe button right away to join the fam. Also be sure to turn on your notification by clicking on the bell and get a chance to be featured in my next video. This week's shout out goes to Christine McMeo. And she writes, welcome back and to mamahood. There's so much that people don't tell you about when it comes to being pregnant and what happens afterwards. I'm glad that you're doing much better. You are a strong woman. Thank you, Christine, for your comment and all the love. I'm sending lots of love back to you. And for a chance to get featured in my next video, just leave a comment down below and let me know that you are a part of the fam, and there's your chance to get featured. And when that's been said, I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys. Mwah.